So hi everyone, welcome back. If you don't know me already, my name is Karthik and I just finished my 12th very recently, and in this August I will be shifting to my engineering. Now if you clicked on this video, or in general many people know what the STEP internship is. It is a very famous internship program by Google, but if you don't know it already, let me just summarize it for you. STEP means Student Training in Engineering Program. More about that later, but it is an internship program offered by Google to students studying in first year or second year of their engineering. It doesn't matter which engineering program you are in. Like personally, I will be choosing any of the circuital branches like EEE or EC. So you don't only have to be in CS, you can be in any degree and you can apply for this STEP internship. This internship, in terms of money, you will get around 1.25 to 1.5 lakhs per month, and it will be a 2 to 3 month internship. But other than money, if you get this internship, it is going to be amazing on your resume. And after this, in third and fourth year, there is another thing called the SWE internship. And if you manage to get this both, then this will highly increase your chances of getting a job in Google itself after you finish your education. And now, as I said, I am also preparing for STEP internship. And in this video, I'll break down what I think is a good way or a good workflow you can follow every day so that you can increase your chances of cracking the STEP internship. And as far as I know, the applications will open in November or December, and it will be an interview where there'll be 4 rounds. But I'll make a dedicated video on STEP internship. But now I'm just showing in general what I'm doing every day and what you should start doing from today, because this is June and all our exams finished this month or maybe last month, and we have this 1 to 2 month window before our college starts, and this is the perfect time you can do a few courses, which again I have another playlist called Cert Essentials. These are the essential certifications you have to do, which will make your resume stand out from the others. And one of the certification which everyone are suggesting and one of the most famous certifications is CS50X. This is an introductory course by the Harvard University for computer science engineering. Now this is like a bridge course where it helps people who are going from 12th to computer science engineering, and it covers all the basics and everything you have to know before you enter computer science engineering. This is basically like what is computer science. Now I started this and I also started documenting everything in GitHub. I will also show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, so you can also maintain your GitHub page and get good GitHub heat maps. What are heat maps, everything I'll show you in a while, but this is what I am doing. And this is also what I suggest you to do. And this is going to improve you a lot. This is going to help you a lot in your interviews. Now let me just share my screen and I'll show you what I'm doing. Right. So here you can see my terminal, and I am in, again, my folder. This is a personal folder I created to track all my progress. And if I hit ls, if you don't know these commands, I will link another video in the description where you can learn all the basic commands you need in Linux or Mac OS, generally in terminal. I'm on Mac OS right now. So here you can see GitHub cool commands is one folder and journey is another folder. I'll just show you this for reference. So if I go into journey, so you can see I have a readme.md. Now this what I'm having here is a GitHub folder. So if I do ls -la, then you can see .git. That means this is a GitHub repo. Now if I have to show visually, then this is the GitHub repo which I'm having, and the readme file you saw before is this. So this can be anything. So I'm just reporting my progress here, and I will keep updating it. As you can see, I did this last night. Dumped all the things in my mind into this. Now why am I doing this is because when you are in an interview or when you are applying for a job, then the first thing they will check is your GitHub profile. What is GitHub? Everything, again, I'll link another video, you can go watch that. But in general, on a high level overview, they will check your Git. And if you see my GitHub, my profile, there is this thing called heat maps. So what heat maps is, it'll just show you your progress and how many commits you did. This is what I did yesterday, and I will be doing it today also. But if you have everything filled, then that shows that you are very consistent on GitHub and you keep committing and you keep doing more things and uploading all your progress on GitHub. And this is literally, I can't stress enough on how important this is. The first commit I did was just creating the README file. I created it and I put the first commit as created the README file. Now what that does is it will put a green mark in your heat map. And if you maintain this heat maps again, as I said, this will increase your probability of getting that internship or getting a job. Yeah, not this itself won't do anything, but this is also a factor which is going to improve your profile and make it look stronger, right? Now that is what I'm doing, and this is what I did in general, but I'm also starting another one for the CS50X, as I said. So you can create a new repo, and which is like CS50X journey. It's there. So this is my journey for CS50X, where I will document my progress. So this is what I'll do. How to clone a GitHub repo, everything. I'll link another video in the description. You can go watch that. But this is the workflow which I am following. Watch the CS50X, then try those programs and do your own coding, solve those assignments. Then whatever you're doing, update it in your GitHub. And this is going to build a strong profile. And if you keep doing this over the course of 1 to 2 years, then this will definitely help you a lot in the long term. And I guess that's all. So I'll meet you in another video. You can go and watch the videos which I kept about GitHub and all. If not, I will also link videos of other channels so you can watch those. But start doing this and use this 2-month window you have before your college starts, and you can gain a huge head start as compared to all your other competition. And yeah, as always, keep studying and keep working hard. I'll see you all in the next video.